Hold the plank, keep your body straight, touch the opposite shoulder with the hand, and add a jump for the energy.
The plank with the shoulder taps build core straight and teach balance. It's the foundation that makes your body stable. The jump up is a contrast, a burst of energy, an explosion of movement. With the sea behind you, the switch feels even more powerful, from steady stretch to freedom in the air.
And I recommend it to finish it with a light stretch. It's always important to let your muscle recover. Thank you for being with me here. For me, OFCV is a place where I can share moments like this, real and alive. And if you want to be closer and discover more of my stories, they're waiting for you on OnlyFans. See you on the next videos. Bye bye!